Shoresu Baby Toothbrush Natural Wheat Straw Cartoon by Shoresu is one of the best sellers among baby toothbrushes products. Bamboo fiber wheat straw. For age 3-12Y. Material: bamboo fiber wheat straw, safe and no toxic. Specially designed, suitable for kids, which is great for them teeth cleaning training. Anti-slip handle will be convenient for baby to hold. Handle will be convenient for baby to hold. Size: 15x1, 8cm5, 91x0, 71 inches, 100% brand new and high quality. Features: high quality of materials. Suitable for kids, which is great for them teeth cleaning training. Soft brush will not hurt baby's teeth. Made of safe and no toxic materials, you can let your babies use it at ease. Specially designed for kids, it will comfortable and fit for them. Anti-slip handle will be convenient for baby to hold. Cartoon style will be definitely popular with babies. Small size will be absolutely suitable for baby's hands. 1 PC of baby toothbrush only, other accessories demo in the picture are not included. Specification: material: bamboo fiber wheat straw. Type: cartoon. Color: random delivery. If you buy more than one, then the type you receive will be different or the same. Size: 1 size. 15x1, 8cm5, 91x0, 71 inches. For age 3-12Y. Quantity: 1 PC. Note: 1. Please allow 1-3 cm error due to manual measurement. Please make sure you do not mind before you bid. 2. Due to the difference between different monitors, the picture may not reflect the actual color of the item. Thank you. Package include S without retail package. 1 by Baby Toothbrush.